Hey again, it's Jonathan with, Jonathan Fixes. So, been on vacation and had a great time. Now I have to come back to work because I'm poor, and that's how it works. So today we're going to put a grill in Joe's truck, and Joe is the guy behind the camera. Let's get started.
You just said you're poor, but you do realize in the last video you've just come back from vacation as well.
Well, yeah. I got a lot of kids. They take my money. So, I don't know. Alright, what are we putting in here? This really cool black Raptor style grill that Joe picked out. It's even got some lights.
You know, people get a lot of hate for swapping out the grill for this one.
Yeah, not my problem. I like it. So, yeah.
Let's do it.
Alright. That goes there.
Oh, that's going to look good.
If you say so. So we got to take this out. So it looks like you take these little clips off. And you pop that, and you pop this, and you set it up here. And you do this repeatedly for every one of these stupid little clips. Because you don't want to break them, because you got to go back with them. So we do this. Computers cannot replace this, so you got to do it by hand. So, did you have a good Memorial Day?
It was good.
Weekend or whatever?
I got very, very sunburnt.
Because you're the whitest guy I know.
I did my, those 23andMe ancestry kit things?
Yeah.
I got 99.8% European. It's the most boring result ever.
99.8, 2%, 0.2%.
Yeah, they
Casper. Yeah, he's clear. So, one more here, and this will come up. Cool. And then one more here. Okay. Then you pick this up, throw that over there. Now we need some tools. And since my work area is full of broken stuff, I gotta go over there and get some because I'm not in my work area. Yes, we know, it's real fancy. Keep taking pictures of it. Good God. Then you take that out. And that one. Oh, and that one. And lest we forget, that one. And you got these little shields. A little clip right here. Take it off. There's one on that side. There's three sides of every story. Hers, mine, and the truth. Then you got to pick it up. There we go. There we go. We got to take this stuff out. Alright, we gotta take that off. Stick that over there, it doesn't matter. You have to take this piece off. Not the headlight, just this cover.
Right.
Because the bolts are behind there. Which kind of disheartening because I was... Oh my God. There's one of our diehard fans. Super stupid. Yay! This guy is so hilarious. He couldn't fix
I'm going to have to cut that out.
Yeah. Oh man, that was a good one too.
It was
like
a good one.
Now, does it say be careful not to break this stuff?
Yeah, it says about everything involved in this.
All right, so I'm gonna go get a better tool than a screwdriver.
That'd be nice.
And we're back. Yeah, see, with the right tool, you can pop this dude right out without scratching or marring. Alright, so back behind here is all this stuff. Yeah, there it is.
Right down there.
You remember that little Heidi thing right here?
Yep.
Yeah, well there's one right there.
Right.
We don't need that. We don't want it. I just want to learn to play the drum all day. Or bang on the drum all day, that's it.
Yeah.
Don't you play drums?
I'll try.
Yeah. You need to do what John Mellencamp said. Forget all about that macho beat and learn how to play guitar. Play guitar. Okay. Now there's a screw down there. 8mm. See right down there?
Yep.
Yay! Now how do we get to it? Well, me being the professional. Yeah, and I use that term loosely.
How long have you been here?
In this building?
Yeah, I don't mean today. I mean...
Oh, like in total?
Yeah.
Since October of 2000. We're gonna need longer.
And how many of those years have you been a master tech?
since 2004. I gotta go get another piece because I didn't bring enough stuff.
All right.
Hey, there's that bolt. And then we gotta do this one. There we go. There's still something attached. And we gotta find out what that something is. Ah, it's another one of those pesky things.
Oh, so one of those little clip things.
Clip things.
Clip things.
It's right here.
Yeah, I'm not probably going to be able to show that, but...
Well, I'm probably not gonna be able to see it.
Yeah.
We're just gonna feel around and... Man, do I wish that thing would just pop out like that.
Got it?
I got that one. Now there's probably one over here. Yeah. Ooh, this one I can see.
Oh, really?
Yeah, see right down in there? I'm wiggling it. And then you pop it out.
Aha.
Ta-da. Hey, look.
It's out.
That damn thing came out. Pete's sake.
Where are you going to put it?
Where am I going to put it?
Yeah.
Probably in the floor.
Okay.
Well, let's put it on this chair. That way you don't have to...
Well, I don't care about the old one. That doesn't sound good.
There's rocks in it. All right, let's see how we take this out. It would stay up there. Hang on.
Yeah. Hold it or assist in any kind of way?
Please don't.
Okay.
I just got to get the right angle of the dangle. There we go. Hey, here's my 135th favorite person. Jersey. I only know 134 people.
I said, where do I rank?
Oh, see, I usually don't tell people that because they get all butthurt.
Right. I'm going to just presume top 5.
Well, yeah, I mean, why wouldn't you? I'm going to put these in my pocket. We'll have to play back the video to find those.
The thing is as well, I know you have about 8 kids.
7.
7. That was close.
Okay, now we need more tools. We've got to unbolt this. There we go. Get more tools so I can unbolt this. Didn't we just go over that? See, this is why he is not my favorite person. And it just spins. Well, that's just sad. All right, there's 4 little bolts back here. And you got to take them out. There's probably 5. Yeah, there it is. There's one right there. Oh, and that's a different size. So let's see. Oh, found the size.
Nice.
This is awesome. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay. So now we got to see why this doesn't want to fit in here. Oh, that's right. The screws didn't come out. So you see how that didn't come out?
Right.
And that's still there.
Yeah.
So we got to get that out because we got new boltsy stuff. You kind of need this piece. I'm going to take it here. I'm going to hold it here. And I'm going to take that right off. Ta-da! 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 Now we need this one. Man, is it hot in here.
Yeah, it's getting hot. That's
This is ridiculous. This is fun to hold.
Wait.
Please don't. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and we put the other one in there 4. So, golden. We'll take this. I set that in there. Where's your wire harness?
Oh, 1 second, I'll grab it for you.
What the hell's in that box?
I haven't plugged it into the lights yet.
Woo, it's warm. Pick that back up.
Sorry.
Ah! Too old for this crap. 1, 2, 3. No. Somehow this has to go in here. I don't know. Don't care. Alright, now we'll zip tie all that up out.
Alright.
Now they're plugged in.
We didn't say what, but I guess we'll find that out when it's all back on.
Well, we gotta wire them in.
Yeah.
There's that. Well, shoot, it fell in place. So you put these 4 back in. Cool, now we get tools. Not too over tightened. Ta-da! Oh. Now we need these things we took back off, or took off, and they need to put back on. They hold the bottom. This was that center support bolt, but you don't have the center support here because you got the word letters spelled out, no brace, so we don't need it. Now we pick this up.
Oh,
check
yes.
it.
Oh, yes.
We have to rewind the video to see where I put the clips that are right here, because I almost lost them.
Pop those back in.
Yeah, that keeps your grill from kind of shaking and doing stupid things.
Have you got your friends and family to watch these videos that we do?
No. I'm a little embarrassed about them. And, you know, my kids would probably just make fun of me. And say, look at that old man right there. Yeah, that old man fed you today, so I don't know why you're making fun of him.
All right, the big moment.
No, not yet. Not yet. I need you to put your hand on this thing so it doesn't... I want to get all these clippy-doos out so we can put them back in because they like to stay back in the pocket. Oh, see, you're not doing a real good job there.
Sorry, bud.
You're fired.
My hands are sweating, it's hot back here.
My hands are sweating, my hands are... It's always hot back here. It's where I work. All the time. You think I'm not sweating?
My office is air conditioned.
Yeah. Your head's gonna get swollen here in a second. Is it? Yep. That goes there. And this goes in here. So you pull that out. We gotta slide, there we go. Now we have to slide this piece in, which goes over top of that and then into there.
Nice.
Nice! So now we gotta put this bolt back in. I dropped the bolt.
Oh no.
So we take our handy dandy magnet. Most people around here, hey man, I got an English accent. Hip hip cheerio, dude. There we go.
Nice.
All right, now we got to put all this garbage back in. That goes there. That goes there. You tuck.
Expertly done.
Tuck. There we go.
Ah.
Oh, we tucked too early. We didn't. Oh, there we go. Now we got to line all this stuff up, which isn't fun because we didn't. You got to go that way with it. Just enough to get it in the hole. There it is.
You got it.
My wire comes up. Yep, we're good there. You got to line
We'll try and show where.
those tabs in that hole.
Right, I'm with you.
Oh, yep. There's that one.
Nice.
Now we get the other piece we threw in the floor over here.
Yep.
But first, we hook this up, that up, that up, and then we're going to do this. Now there's one here that doesn't involve this piece, and that slides under there, and then you line all this stuff up, and then that one there doesn't involve that piece. So you kind of just loosely put them in. That way you make sure everything lines up and everything is where it goes.
Actually being quite helpful, I think, in this one.
How's that?
Normally we just mess around for 10 minutes and don't really explain much.
Oh, now this is not an instructional video. It is for entertainment purposes only. You burn your truck down, it's your own damn fault. One in here. Then you start pushing them down.
You've made this look quite simple.
It's not very complicated. It's nuts and bolts. It's my job.
Yeah.
That's all I do. Take nuts and bolts and screws and stuff out of the way, replace whatever, put it all back together. And our next video, we'll show you how to wire this in.
We'll probably just do it in one, yeah? Or do you not want to do it?
No, we're going to do it in 2 videos because remember, rule number 1, not my truck.
Yeah.
And Joe's going, but I want the lights to work. Yeah, I know. All right, so you tuck this over here and the video's done.
Right.
So that's how you replace the grill. Tune in next time, Super Friends, to see how to wire it up. We'll show you that. It's even more exciting.